Oh my God.
That was me.
Now, if you could burp and fart at the same time, you're going to be something else. You know, Uncle David did it one time. We were outside and he sat on the curb, and at the same time he burped and farted. I was like, what? I'd never heard anything like it. Air from both ends.